Serial Peripheral Interface, SPI, allows high-speed synchronous data transfer between the ATmega32 and peripheral devices, or between several AVR devices. The interconnection between master and slave CPUs with SPI is shown in this figure. The system consists of two shift registers, and a master clock generator. The master generates the required clock pulses on the SCK line to interchange data. Data is always shifted from master to slave on the master out, slave in, MOSI, line, and from slave to master on the master in, slave out, MISO, line. After each data packet, the master will synchronize the slave by pulling high the slave select SS, line. After shifting 1 byte, the SPI clock generator stops. If the SPI interrupt enable bit, SPIE, in the SPCR register is set, an interrupt is requested. The master may continue to shift the next byte by writing it into spider, or signal the end of packet by pulling high the slave select, SS line. When the SPI is enabled, the data direction of the MOSI, MISO, SCK, and SS pins is overwritten according to this table. When configured as a master, the SPI interface has no automatic control of the SS line. When the SPI is configured as a slave, the slave select, SS, pin is always input. When SS is held low, the SPI is activated. SPI Control Register, SPCR. This bit causes the SPI interrupt to be executed if SPIF bit in the SPSR register is set and if the global interrupt enable bit in SREG is set. When the SPE bit is written to 1, the SPI is enabled. When the DORD bit is written to 1, the LSB of the data word is transmitted first. When the DORD bit is written to 0, the MSB of the data word is transmitted first. This bit selects master SPI mode when written to 1, and slave SPI mode when written logic 0. When this bit is written to 1, SCK is high when idle. When CPOL is written to 0, SCK is low when idle. The settings of the clock phase bit, CPHA, determine if data is sampled on the leading, first, or trailing, last, edge of SCK. There are 4 combinations of SCK phase and polarity with respect to serial data which are determined by control bit CPHA and CPOL. These two bits and bit 0, SPI2X, in SPI status register, SPSR control the SCK rate of the device configured as a master. SPI data register, Spider. The SPI data register is a read-write register used for data transfer between the register file and the SPI shift register. Example for connecting two devices. LCD for display information. Suppose the master sends numbers from 1 to 100 to the slave, and the slave adds everything it receives to the number 10 and sends it to the master. Run CodeVision. Enable the Serial Peripheral Interface, SPI. Enable interrupt. Select the 0 mode. The frequency is determined by the master. Master mode. The LSB will be sent or received first. Port A for LCD. For loop for counting from 1 to 100. Each time the count value is sent, display the value sent from master to slave in the first row of the LCD. Simultaneously with sending from master to slave, master can receive information from slave. The received information is placed in the SPI register, and as soon as it is received, it is read in interrupt and placed in the data variable. Display the value received from the slave in the second row of the LCD. Programming for slave. Enable the Serial Peripheral Interface, SPI. Enable interrupt. Select the 0 mode. Slave mode. First, send or receive LSB bit. Port A for LCD. Display the value received from the master in the first row of the LCD. The value received plus 10 is to be sent to the master. Display the value sent from the slave to master in the second row of the LCD. Errors occurred. Errors obviation in slave. Errors obviation in master. Sending and receiving is done only when master generates clock. Slave sends the data of the previous step plus 10. Examine the lines of communication with the graph. It is better to choose a digital graph. Due to the 1-second delay, select 3-second to scan time to display at least 3 data transmissions. Time to send and receive the second data. If you are interested in the topics of this channel, do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.